Finally coming to Taiwanese persimmon factory.
Whoa,
So
persimmon factory.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wow.
我们有一个动作让你们体验一下，就是我们要帮狮子马杀鸡。
马杀鸡。
Massage. We're gonna learn some different ways of tying this, and then we're gonna go dye it.
Tie that with persimmon skin.
So we soak it in the dye that was made from the fruit, and we kind of rub it in for 10 minutes. So let's do it.
This bridge is really let me know in Taiwan, it's not only like a Taiwanese style or like a Chinese style. In Taiwan, we're mixed in other countries' style or other countries' history. I feel really, really like in Japan. Oh, it's like, oh, I like back to home. It's like this. Oh my God, Taiwan, really amazing. Oh my God.
I'm tired.
Are we there
I'm
yet?
so sorry. But I told you, almost there.
Oh my God.
Finally coming to Taiwanese persimmon factory.
Whoa, persimmon factory.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wow.
就是我们是算工厂，但是我们现在以教育为主，叫教育园区。
When I was talking to the owner, he mentioned that this is not just like a manufacturing place, but it's also an educational farm. And the reason for that is because, you know, nowadays young people are not that into agriculture, and I love that they're trying to preserve it. They're trying to keep people interested in it so it doesn't fade out. And I think this is really a great thing to support.
那全世界的柿子的话有400多种，我们现在做成柿饼的话是主要有3个品种而已。
Okay.
哎，那老板，我想问，他们在做什么？
他们目前的动作是在削皮。对，因为我们柿子如果不削皮的话，它不会干燥。
哦。
So they're peeling the skin off
Yes.
of the persimmon so that they can dry it later.
那你们有没有要体验看看？
Oh, me,
You
I
wanna
want to
do
try.
it?
Can I
What do
try?
you-
You use muscle. You don't need to use muscle.
You
Then
try
I'll do
that
this one. I'll do this one.
Okay.
I actually feel very honored to have this opportunity to come onto this farm and experience the steps in the process of making these dried persimmons. And it's just amazing how generation after generation they were able to pass these down and just do everything so efficiently. And of course, it's so delicious and just so glad I could come here.
我们有一个动作，等一下也可以让你们体验一下，就是我们要帮狮子马杀鸡。
马杀鸡。
Massage?
Okay.
So apparently we're supposed to give the persimmons a massage?
OK，因为如果我们没有去动它，对它其实是不会继续干下去的。
So apparently this massage is actually us squeezing it to remove the water from it.
哦。
Yeah.
对，其实按摩也不是只有1天，我们第3天开始之后，明天、后天，就是之后每一天都要按一次。
连续。
对。
I think it's too much because I'm never every day go to massage. You know.
Yeah, I don't even get a massage
Every day, every day.
So they're living the life.
Yeah.
I want to be a persimmon.
Okay, so throughout the whole 7 to 9 days of getting these dry persimmons ready, they go in a cycle of the procedure, like of roasting it, drying it,
Yeah.
massaging
Yeah.
it, the whole thing. Wow, that's a lot of work.
你知道吗？日本食饼都晒就结束了。
我们保留传统的 制作方式，我们是慢慢的让它熟成，而不是很快速的让它变成柿饼。我们用炭烤，会有炭烤的柴香味，太阳晒过之后，它也会有一点太阳的香气，它就是让我们柿饼好吃的原因。
哎，老板，所以我已经看到那里有一个成品，我可以吃了。
OK， 当然有了。哇，
太好了！
That's sweet.
So sweet.
That's sweet.
So sweet.
Oh,
It's chewy.
yeah, chewy, yeah. Oh,
Sweet
Okay.
and chewy.
That's nice.
这个也是我们台湾只有我们这里才有的。
oh,
Popsicles.
Persimmon popsicles.
wow.
这是用柿饼做的。
Oh, 谢谢 Thank you.
哇，谢谢。
It's like sweet.
Definitely the September wins.
Wow.
This is a September wind. Finally, I ate the Taiwanese persimmon. And then today, I ate the new product. It's like a Japanese ice bar, you know. It's really safe. But I like here is ice box. Why? Because it's all of natural, sweetest, and for healthy, you know. It's really, really good.
This was actually like such a cool experience. When I was in Taiwan, I originally never heard of this fruit, never tried it before. So I tried it and I'm like, huh, this is really weird, really foreign to me. But coming today, we tried making them from scratch, the dried persimmons. We learned the different processes in getting it done. It actually comes out really sweet and nice. I actually really enjoyed it.
It's just amazing to see the creativity people have in making the fruit into all its different forms. I just love it. It's really delicious. And it really helps me to appreciate those who do all the manual labor and the people who work on farms. I really appreciate them. And I'm just really grateful for this opportunity to come here and learn about all this interesting stuff at this education farm, you know.
Now what?
Yeah, you said you planned the trip, but you still don't know why that's important. Like, why is it important? You know?
What is this for?
Yeah.
Why do we have
What are
rocks?
you doing?
Okay, I
Why do
told
we
you.
have beads?
Because
Yeah, what are we supposed to do?
Okay, you know, this is Taiwanese art, okay? This is art.
Art?
You have to make art, okay?
Maybe I need to like write some characters.
Yes, yes,
Like-
yes. 老师，老师终于来了。我想请问啊，这个是到底做什么的啊？
这个一般来说大家都以为是废弃物没有用，所以我们就是把它当做一个染材的部分。
啊，染材
对对
啊，
对，
了解了解。
植物染的。
So we're gonna learn some different ways of tying this, and then we're gonna go dye it.
Tie dye.
Yes, sounds like
Tie
fun.
dye with persimmon skin.
虽然它本身就是用废弃的果皮，或是农夫蔬果不要的，就是青色的色柿子，都是用废物，然后再重新赋予它们新的生命。这是一个很环保、爱地球的一个方式。
All right, so the guide has already told us how to do it. First, we have to soak this in the water, right? So let's do it.
Yep.
Step 2, we have to squeeze out all the water. And step 3, we soak it in the dye that was made from the fruit. All right, we
so-
soak it in the dye.
Oh, has a particular smell, kind of.
Yeah, so we soak it in the dye and we kind of rub it in for 10 minutes. So let's do it.
Pretty much like rubbing and scrubbing it for 10
Yeah.
minutes.
10 minutes.
Cardio, right? The moment of truth.
Oh,
Ta-da!
You know, you can use, it looks like a pirate flag.
Look at my results. Isn't it super nice? It actually came out a lot nicer than I thought it would because I did not know what to expect, but I'm really happy with it. So I think this is such a cool experience, the fact that we get to do this ourselves and we're using persimmon juice to make it. So it's a natural tie-dye. Look at this. I'm actually super happy with it and I'm gonna give it to my little nephew who's just 6 months old. I hope he's happy about it. My love for you makes no sense. To my nephew Kiki. But it's a lot of love. Yay!
this dyeing is not like a Japanese dyeing. It's very different steps. I guess this art, if you say I have to make a name, maybe I say this is like a future. Do you see the heart in my right side? Yeah. This heart is like a future. The left side here is like past. And then center is your timeline. It's very fun. Thank you.
Yeah, so I just finished dyeing this piece of cloth, and basically what I did during the process of dyeing it was I put some marbles inside it while it was still white. During the process of dyeing it, dipping it into water, dipping it into dye and setting it, and all the different processes, it was a little tiring because you had to just keep rubbing it, and it kind of makes me think of life, you know? Life's not always what you think it will be, and you're different from everybody else, no matter what, because of all the different kind of shapes and circles that were unpredicted. I want to name this cloth Perspective because there's just so many different perspectives. You can see things, see life, see people, see everything from. So, yep, here's Perspective.